You wanna learn this move? Alright, let's get it. Welcome back to my dance tutorial class, okay? So today we're gonna learn this famous TikTok dance challenge. Oh no. Don't mind me, okay? So we're gonna learn this. Out with me. Let's go. Let's hop right into it, okay? No time to waste time. Show me. So now, remember, the key is your legs. Okay, your two legs. Okay? So your two legs are going palm, 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 palm. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How with me? Yeah. So when you get that leg movement right, or you let your upper body do. So let's try one more time then. Upper body, okay? 5, 6, ready, go. Palm, 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 palm. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so when you're done with the legs, you should have your upper body. Okay, so I got you, okay? Do not worry, okay? So upper body will go in a bit, just drag it in a bit. So once you're pulling it out, you're dragging it in again, palm. You pull it out again, you drag it in, pull it out, drag it in, pull it out, drag it in. So if you're doing it, it's looking like this: palm, 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 palm. Can you see it now? Can you see it? So now let's add it with legs, okay? So you're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So now I'm sure, I'm very sure you have got it. So now let's do it from the top, okay? Let's do it together. I don't think 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go, palm, palm, just legs, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now on the upper body, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Bend. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice. Now, nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it with song. Let's go. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I see those people in the comment section commenting, how do you do this, how do you do that? Please keep it going, okay? People, make sure that if you want me to do any dance routine or teach any dance routine, tag it, okay? Tag it on my comment section. Just make sure it's on my comment section. I got you, okay? I got you, my fans. So please like, follow, subscribe, tell your friend to tell your friend to tell your friend to tell your friend to tell. Please, I'm begging, okay? Thank you, okay? I appreciate it. Now, let's do it and leave the screen. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready to earn.